Welcoming you back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll go through the basics of stock investing. This is the question that always comes to mind. Let's start with the fundamentals of investment. Invest in a country that is experiencing economic growth. How can you tell if a country's economy is performing well? To explain this, a few months ago, all residents' bank accounts in one of the country were frozen. It is tough to invest in such an environment. To cut a long story short, India is a developing country with a growing economy and the risk of loss is relatively less. The second investing principle is: identify a growing industry. How to identify a growing industry? Following are few industries which I believe has good potential. 1. Electric car business, have enormous potential due to a variety of factors. 2. Following COVID, the life/medical insurance sector is on the upswing. And 3. Asset management companies, have seen an upward trend due to increased financial investing awareness among the general public. In tomorrow's video, I'll go over the third, fourth, and fifth investment principles. Investing in defensive equities, industries with pricing power, and market leader stocks are the three options. Thank you. Do like and subscribe our channel.